Okay.
I'm
So hi
sorry,
team.
guys.
Yeah, hi team. Recording has been started. Yeah, Ravi sir, go ahead.
Right. So the objective of this interaction today is to make you people interact with one of a very senior industry professional, Mr. Ajay Shankar. He's based out of Bangalore and he's currently working with NextGen Software, which is into healthcare domain of experience. And he had worked give training, impart training to all the budding engineers of college, universities, and also in the corporate. So Learn Now is an online platform which we have started around 3 4 years back, and we were earlier catering to the corporate professionals only. But this year, due to this COVID situation, most of the college students and college they are interested towards online learning. So that is why we are hosting these seminars so that we can tell you what all opportunities you students have in terms of online summer internships or online trainings from Learn Now. So, not taking much of your time, I would straight away ask Ajay sir to start. Sir, over to you.
Yeah, hi team. Hi team. Good evening. Very good evening. We welcome you all. Uh, as Ravi sir introduced that my name is Ajay Shankar and I'm having some 15 years of experience in this IT industry. So in all these 15 years, I have worked for many of the MNCs like NIT, HCL, Dell International, Deloitte Services. I work for companies like Aero Electronic, Indicom Global, right? IBY Comtac, which is basically a sister concern company or a company associated
You can
to
take them through your LinkedIn profile, sir.
GVC. Yeah, GVC, which is world third largest gaming and gambling portal. So I would like to show you my LinkedIn profile. Uh, just to let you know that what and all technologies I've worked on, how these technologies are beneficial, why you should opt all these technologies, why you should learn all these technologies when you're already studying .NET, Java, C, C++. So why these technologies are important, what is the importance of summer training, how it is going to be beneficial for you. All these things will discuss step by step, one by one, and I'm sure eventually I will be able to show you a bigger picture that why this whole summer training and this live project working in the latest technologies is helpful to you, or how they are going to helpful for you in future, right? So let's start from the quick introduction. As I said, I have 15 years of experience in this IT industry. I already told you about the companies I've worked for. Right now, I am in NextGen Healthcare. Right. Previous to that, I was in IVR Comtech. It's a basically a sister concern of GVC. It is third largest gaming and gambling portal. Correct. It comes after 365bet.com. You might have heard or you have seen this site many of the time when cricket match used to come online, right, or live. Then I've worked for Jenims. Here I serve for company like Centerstone of America, Happier Living. These are the topmost healthcare companies based out of Nashville, US, and they're totally into health domain. So I was a part of the team where me and freshers like you, the college recruit, fresh college recruit, we together build a mobile application. We together built a portal, right, in Angular, build a mobile application in Ionic framework, again latest cutting edge technologies, right? And you can search this Stone of America app in your Google Play, and in your what do you call it, Apple Store, right? Previous to that, I worked with Deloitte, then Sonata Softwares, then it was UST Global. Through UST Global, my client was Dell, right? Like this, I have worked for main companies as well as the clients who are basically in MNCs, right? So the idea of showing all these things is not to portray myself that what I have achieved in my career, is to show you, right, that the experience, I mean the language, the verbiage, the points that I wanted to throw in front of you are not coming, just like I have read somewhere, or it is written somewhere. It is coming straight from the experience I have acquired in these 15 years, right? Whatever experience I got in these 15 years, I am sharing that experience with you. And I'll let you know in next 30-40 minutes that how this is going to be beneficial for you, right? How you can make the most out of it. Correct. So if I talk about the technologies that I've worked on, so you can see in technologies, you can see the technologies which is like legacy technologies are also there. At the same time, you will see I have updated myself over the period of time with the new cutting edge technologies, right? So the latest which I missed over here after Python is AWS, which I'm supposed to update, right? Which I've already, I'm already working, but I've not updated in LinkedIn. So technologies like C Sharp, ASP.NET, MVC, MVVM, web services, WCF, right, SQL Server. These are some legacy applications, legacy tools, you can say, legacy platforms, you can say, right? Which is already there, like your Java, like your C, C++. But what is the latest one? What is the latest cutting edge technology? So I have updated myself in the latest and cutting edge technologies also, like Bootstrap. Again, now Bootstrap is also older now, but it is growing like anything, right? It is kind of must. So jQuery, Angular also, started long back. Now we are working with the latest version of Angular. It is latest, right? It is also must. When I say must, means one should know Angular if he or she going in a company. Correct. Either you have, either you are from the Java, or you are from the .NET, or you are a PHP guy, or you are just a front end one. You have to know, a library like Angular, framework like Angular, right? Then we have, Crystal Reports, again, a very beautiful tool of Microsoft. Knockout.js, it used to be, very strong framework once upon a time, but since it was not backed by the product, the company, right? So it was out of the market. So Knockout also have worked on Kendo UI. At his time, Kendo UI was killing the market, right? It was so super awesome framework, but now it has been overtaken by some other new technologies, right? Meanstack, Mernstack, this is the latest one in the market. Companies are, going after it. I mean, if you are in the company and company is, using the latest technologies, means you will have a Meanstack, you will have a Mernstack. Without that, it is very, kind of strange that how, company is running their project. Because one way or the other, you will find either the whole mean stack has been used, or the technologies related to mean stack will be using by the company, right? I will elaborate this mean stack as we, grow in this training, in this session. So as we advance in this training, so what are the other things that we're going to see is what we have new, in the cloud side or in the mobile side, correct, or in the website, web development side. So we have React.js, we have Vue.js, correct, we have Node.js, we have Python, correct, for artificial intelligence, machine learning, correct. For cloud, we have Azure, we have, I mean, Microsoft Azure, we have AWS, services, cloud services, we have Google Cloud, correct. These are some cutting edge technologies that are there in the market, and one should be trained at least in one of it, correct. And why, that also we'll discuss in some time, correct. So these are the technologies what you can see in front of your screen I've worked on. The latest front end, library which came into the picture, into the market, is Vue.js. It is also growing. React.js, it is also growing. AngularJS with Angular 6 plus framework, this is also growing. So these three are the growing, technologies which is taking off, in the field of IT, web development. AWS is growing like anything in the field of cloud and cloud programming. Node.js is growing in the field of, in the field of your server. I mean, people use Tomcat, Apache, IAS server. Nowadays, companies use Node.js, right, as a server, correct. Python has been used by data analysts, I mean, used for machine learning, used for, making AI components, artificial intelligence components. So all these things what I'm talking about is all latest technologies which is there in the market, which is demanding in the market. Companies are hiring professionals, skilled engineers based on these cutting edge technologies, right? Not on Java and .NET. Sorry to say, .NET Java, the saturation point has been. I mean, we already touched the saturation point, right? So what do you say? What do you mean by saturation point? Saturation point means now the demand of .NET Java has been met by the supply of .NET Java resources. So demand and supply has met. So there is no new requirement, at least for the freshers, right? At least for the freshers, there's no requirement of .NET Java for the freshers. But yes, we do have requirement for freshers in the field of these latest technologies, right? So let's go little forward in this session, and let's talk about one more very interesting technology which is taking off in the market. This is mean stack. So mean stack is one kind of full stack development where you get to know each and every part of mean stack. So if you expand the mean, so mean stand for MongoDB, ExpressJS, Angular, and Node. Just type mean stack in Google and check how many jobs we have on mean stack. So there are a hell lot of job already present in the market, and market is generating jobs in mean stack. So why mean stack is so famous, why it is very like growing in the market? Because in mean stack we have M stands for MongoDB, means your database is covered. MongoDB is the latest database what we have in the market, NoSQL database, which is 1,000 times faster than your RDBMS like Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, right? So M stands for MongoDB, very hot in the market. Your Amazon use MongoDB. E stands for ExpressJS. You don't need to know .NET Java if you have ExpressJS. ExpressJS takes care of your complete backend code. You have A stands for Angular, where you can include React also instead of Angular. So if you put Angular, then it will become MERN stack, right? Otherwise it is mean stack. So A stands for Angular. Angular, again, you just write the jobs in Angular and React. You will see alone Angular and React itself generate lot of jobs in the market, irrespective to you are fresher or experienced, right? So then in the last we have N in the mean. The N stands for the Node.js. Node.js is your biggest package manager as well as your server, right? You can write your whole server in Node.js. So these kind of hot and latest technologies I'm talking about, this is all coming out of my 15 years of experience in this IT industry. How this IT industry is shaping up, that is what I'm trying to portray or show in front of you, right? So the latest news what I guess all you college student might have got, that the offer letters that the companies has given it to college students or to the freshers, they have taken it back, they have called off. Did you know this or not? I mean, in most of the college this has started happening. So the offer letters which companies has given to the fortunate resources who cleared the interview at the time of campus interview, right? So the company has started calling off those letters. Did you know that or not? Did you get this news or not?
Yes,
In
sir.
many of the college it has started happening. In many of the college it has already happened, right? If it is not happening, it is going to happen. So question is now, when as a fresher the gates are closed for you, right? At least for those who have not cleared the campus placement, what you guys will do? What exactly you have to do? What exactly you will do now, right? So for you, the best opportunity is to get a job is have a latest technology under your belt, at least one latest technology under your belt, right? Have one one live technology. I mean, train yourself at least in one latest technology which is hot in the market, very demanding in the market. So the technology which you see in the last of my about, right? So you can see these all are latest technology like Python, Node, Vue.js, React.js, right? Then we have mean stack, Ionic framework, correct? Leave knockout at Kendo. There is no opening, and I mean nobody used Kendo and knockout also. So mean stack, Angular, React, Vue.js, Node.js, Python, AWS. These are the technologies which is hot in the market, and you will get job immediately after studying, or after basically making yourself skilled in these technologies. Any questions so far, guys, before I move forward? Any doubt you have? Any question you have? Okay, first of all, anyone of you know about these technologies like MEANstack? Have you heard about MEANstack, Angular, React, Ionic?
Yes, sir. I've been working on the React and on Node since last 1 year.
Great, great.
In
So
for
I guess probably you know the importance of these technologies, right? React and
Yes, sir.
Node,
Yes, sir.
correct? So how important these technologies are, how much demand we have in React.js, right?
Yes, sir. I've seen the in every freelancing websites also they only
Correct,
need the React and Angular and
correct.
one more thing Vue also.
Vue.js, yes, yes.
Vue is less
So
demanding as compared to Angular
Vue,
as I've seen.
yeah, Vue.js is also very demanding nowadays, and it is also taking off, right? Vue.js, I would say, better than React, because it is easy to understand, and it has a very good competition with Angular. Okay,
Aman,
and
you're from which college?
So I am from GIMS Greater Noida.
oh, superb,
That's great.
superb. So Aman, you have attended my last session.
So
Did you
this is the
attend
first
the last
session.
session in gyms?
No, sir. I was not there, or
Okay,
due to some problem, I was not attending this
no
session.
problem, no issues, no issues. I was just curious because a lot of people were there in that session, so I was just curious to know, did you attend that or not? No issues, no issues. So as you can see, as you heard from one of your colleague itself, that how important one of this technology is. So React is very famous in European market. Angular is very famous in all over the world, right? All over the world. Vue is taking off, and doing the competition, and in the competition with React and Angular. Ionic is one where you can make mobile application, right? For any of the application. I mean, you can make mobile application on any of the topic, any project. You wanted to make mobile application, you have Ionic framework. The best and the beautiful part of about this Ionic is, one, you can, if you know Angular or React or Vue, you can use the same Angular, same React, same Vue in Ionic. So which means, if you know any of these things, Vue, React or Angular, so you can easily work on Ionic framework. One advantage. Second advantage, the best one for the company, as well as from your perspective, is that once you learn Ionic, means you don't need to learn iOS separately and Android separately. So far, what I guess, if you know, that we need to have a separate team for iOS development and separate team for Android development. But the biggest advantage with this Ionic framework is, once you learn this, you are the one who can create the native application, the native app for Android as well as iOS. So isn't it cool that you are the one who is iOS as well as Android developer? You can make application for Android as well as iOS, as well as Windows, as well as that BlackBerry phone also. Although there is no BlackBerry phone in the market, but if let's say company wants, you can still create the app for BlackBerry as well. I don't think we have Windows phone now left in the market, or people are using it, but you can create Windows based apps also from Ionic itself. So one framework, multiple platforms you can create apps for. So isn't it cool? And third thing, because after doing this Ionic, you will be multi platform app developer. Companies are going to pick you like anything, right? For companies, now you are a jackpot. Same thing, just like Ionic framework, we have React Native. So React Native basically is there to create again the mobile apps for different platforms. Then, like this we're talking about front end, back end. Front end. Now, if you see the backend part, we have Express.js, we have MongoDB. So MongoDB, no SQL database, thousand times faster than your RDBMS. Anyone knows about MongoDB? Any idea about MongoDB, guys?
Yes, sir. It is a non-RDBMS type of
Correct,
data.
correct. But do you know? Okay, if I ask you how how it is faster. So any suggestion? I mean, you have your RDBMS, which has rows, columns, database, indexing, right? Primary key, foreign key, correct? Data is arranged in well segregated manner. Then why actually we need this MongoDB? Why we need NoSQL all of a sudden?
सर बिकॉज जेसॉन इसमें जो डाटा स्टोर होता है वो जेसॉन ऑब्जेक्ट की फॉर्म में स्टोर होता है
Okay.
बिल्कुल सही बात.
फास्ट होता है.
Okay. So JSON format में तो होता है, but correct. I mean, you are I would say 80% correct. I mean, your answer is 80% correct, and you're near to the 80% solution also. Rest 20%. Any guess? I mean,
सर वो जो उसमें और अगर बाय चांस हम कुछ नोट नल का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं होता, अगर उसमें अगर हम कोई डाटा इंसर्ट करते हैं तो वो मतलब जितनी हमें पर्टिकुलर रिक्वायरमेंट होती है उतना डाटा इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं.
good, very good. Okay, let me complete it. Whatever you said is 100% correct.
टेबल स्कीमा की कोई वो नहीं होती है.
सर एक तो
One by
इसमें tables
one by
में
one, one by one, guys. One by one. I now understood you are a very right audience because you are at very right track. Why? Because you already know all these things. I mean, you are at least aware of all these things. Correct. So to convince you that you should take a right decision in your career. I mean, it will be easy for me. Okay. So I'm very happy. One by one. So I mean, who was last speaking? Just a second. I'll give you the option. Hold on. So Sindhu, you were talking previous to this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please, Sindhu, go ahead.
सर MongoDB में टेबल्स के इंसर्शन का मतलब टेबल स्कीमा कोई फैक्टर नहीं करता है. मतलब आईडी आप डाल सकते हो, फिर नेम. टेबल इंसर्शन टेबल स्कीमा कोई फॉलो नहीं करता है.
Okay.
Main thing is this.
Near to it. I will polish your answer after this, but you are very near to the answer. I mean, I understood what you're trying to say, but I'll polish it properly. One more guy was wanted to answer. Please go ahead.
यस सर. सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल MongoDB जो होता है वो डेटा JSON फॉर्मेट में स्टोर करता है, तो इसमें कोई स्कीमा की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं रहती. मतलब
Agree.
फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी रहती है स्कीमा की. तो उसकी वजह से क्या रहता है, जब हम टेबल में स्टोर करते हैं उसमें जो है टाइम ज्यादा लगता है और उसमें
Okay.
थोड़ी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी अराइज हो जाती है.
Good.
हम कहने को मान लेते हैं कि हमें दिखने में वो टेबल में डेटा इजीली स्टोर हो रहा है, कि हमें दिखने में लगता है ऐसा, पर MongoDB बिहाइंड द सीन कहीं ना कहीं उससे फास्टर वर्क करता है.
Correct. इसको भी थोड़ा सा पॉलिश करूंगा मैं. और anyone else?
So easiest way to insert, delete, and connect to a database. One of the easiest way to connect as
Correct.
compared to another database.
Easiest. Okay. By that point easiest. But okay. Let me just. You all are correct. First of all, I mean, again, guys, congratulations. You are at very right track. Trust me, you are at very right track. I was thinking that I'll be talking to the audience who might not be knowing all these things. Correct. But I'm very happy that you are at the very right track. To convince you, it'll be very easy for me, right? Because we both are talking on the same node, on the same term. Okay. Just to polish it quickly. In MongoDB, okay, we'll see quickly the RDBMS. In RDBMS, we store the data in rows, columns, tables, correct? We store the data in database. Database contain tables. Tables has rows and columns, right? But in MongoDB, we don't have database, we don't have table, we don't have rows, we don't have columns, correct? All we have is a document, correct? And data is stored in the form of object, which you call JSON object, correct? But how come this is faster? The very simple reason is in RDBMS, the name itself defining its meaning. RDBMS, right? Relational Database Management System, which means your tables are related to each other, correct? So if I need to call you, I need to take data from B. To take the data from B, I might need the data from C, correct? So tables are interrelated, relational. So now for the quick, for the less data, it's easy, it's faster. But let's say if I have data in TBs, like banking domain, right? Like banking domain, TBs I have data in, or e-commerce application where we have millions of products, right? Correct. And there are so many relationships in the table. Then it go for toss. Then there is a chaos. Correct. So you won't believe the daily chunk. I mean, for you, chunk means some piece of data, right? For banks, chunk means TBs, incremental TBs or GBs. When you have data in TBs and GBs, then it is like, it is a nightmare to handle it. That is why you see, there are so many other courses like data science. What is data science? Informatica, right? There are so many other, technology came in the field of data. Why? Because handling data in TBs was a nightmare for companies. So then they thought, let's make a non-relational database. So when they thought non-relational database means what we should do, let's use this flat tables. But the biggest challenge with flat table is you can store the data in flat tables, but when again data will be huge in flat tables, there is no relation. How are you going to fetch the data? Correct? Then to manage the data in the flat table, again you need to write a code. That is where this I mean, I don't know who invented this JSON thing. Obviously JavaScript invented this. JSON thing came into picture. JSON, object structure. Then what they thought is, let's store this data instead of storing it in a flat table. ऐसे के ऐसे डंप करने की बजाय इसको एक proper object structure में सेव कर देते हैं. So now they started saving the data into object structure, JSON structure, JSON format, and they started calling it NoSQL. क्योंकि इसमें कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेरी लैंग्वेज नहीं है, इसमें कोई भी रिलेशन नहीं है. करेक्ट? डेटा आपका जेसन फॉर्मेट में स्टोर्ड है. जेसन फॉर्मेट का सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट क्या होता है? देयर इज नो व्हाट वी कॉल इट बैकग्राउंड, देयर इज नो बैगेज टू इट. जैसे जब टेबल होता है, टेबल का अपना एक बैकग्राउंड में स्ट्रक्चर होता है. करेक्ट? डेटाबेस का बैकग्राउंड में अपना एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है. जेसन का कोई स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होता. जेसन अपने आप में एक स्ट्रक्चर है. जेसन अपने आप में एक स्कीमा है. राइट? एज यू ऑल सेड. So it is thousand times faster than RDBMS. करेक्ट? एक रियल टाइम एग्जांपल देते हैं फटाफट ताकि आपको समझ में आए. आप एक केमिस्ट शॉप को देखते हो. केमिस्ट शॉप, एक केमिस्ट शॉप में, फार्मेसी शॉप में, व्हाट यू सी इज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स और उसमें मेडिसिन होती हैं. नाउ टू पुल द मेडिसिन, दैट केमिस्ट हैज टू रिमेंबर कि किस सेक्शन में कौन सी मेडिसिन है. छोटी शॉप तक तो वो मैनेज कर लेता है. जब शॉप बड़ी होती है तो उसे क्या करना पड़ता है? उसे स्टिकर्स लगाने पड़ते हैं, उसे स्टाफ बढ़ाना पड़ता है, उसको सॉफ्टवेयर रखना पड़ता है, कहीं ना कहीं मैनेज करता है कि कौन सी रो में कौन सा काम है, कौन सी मेडिसिन है. करेक्ट? एंड if it start increasing, I mean, if it is keep on growing, it will be very hard for him to understand and manage. Correct? तो वो क्या करता है? सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करना शुरू कर देता है. मींस डिपेंडेंसीज. राइट? ये नुकसान होता है. एग्जैक्टली ऐसा ही होता है when we have a data which keep on growing. So MongoDB is a solution for it, because data is stored in non-RDBMS format, but yet in one structure, JSON structure. It is easy to retrieve the data. MongoDB is more of retrieving the data. मतलब अभी तक जो रिसर्च है या अभी तक जो यूसेज है MongoDB का, that is heavily in viewing the data. For example, Amazon use MongoDB for viewing. When you go to Amazon and you search for mouse, you search for a computer, you search for laptop, you search for phone. So you will see a lot of what do you call it, sections, mobile sections, laptop section, electronic section, product of the day, product of the month, deals of the day. All these things are for the view purpose. So all these things Amazon save in MongoDB, because for view it is faster. It is for the faster retrieval. If you say I need to save the entire banking domain data in MongoDB, answer is no, because MongoDB is not for writing data in GBs and TBs. It will eventually, but as of now, no. It is more of retrieving the data, reading the data. Correct? It is for the faster retrieval. That is why most of the mobile app store the data in in MongoDB or Firebase. I mean, either they are Firebase or they are MongoDB based. Most of the mobile app, because in mobile app, what you see, I mean, what you maximum do in mobile app, you view. If it is YouTube, you view. Twitter, Facebook, you view. Right? Again, shopping sites, correct? Chatting sites, basically you view more. So wherever we have view more, we have MongoDB. Correct? I guess we talk enough about MongoDB. So I guess you understood the importance also of MongoDB. So this is latest. This is cutting edge. Right? Then I've already talked about the Ionic. Right? I've already told you about the mean stack. Did you guys know about the complete mean stack? I mean, in mean stack, M stands for MongoDB itself. Then E stands for Express.js. Correct? Express.js, where you can write your Java .NET related code. I mean, when I say Java .NET related code, means you can write your backend code, your APIs, right? Your routes, your APIs you can write in Express.js. A stands for Angular. So you guys know about Angular, you guys know about React also, how important it is. One of you said Vue.js also, taking off in the market. As I also said, Vue is very hot in the market as of now. So long story short is, you need to update yourself in one of the technology, correct? Now question is, to update yourself in these technologies, or one of it or two of the technologies, like let's say you wanted to make, you wanted to be a web developer, you wanted to be a mobile developer, you wanted to be a full stack developer. So you will be picking either Angular, React, Vue, or you'll be picking Ionic framework, or you'll be picking Meanstack for full stack development, correct? Where you can, in full stack, you can touch database also, backend code also, front end code also, and server also. Or you wanted to, update yourself in AWS cloud technologies, correct? So any one or two of it. The question is how you can learn it. Any suggestion? How you can learn it?
So I've been learning the React from the Udemy website,
Okay.
and for the Express also from Udemy, actually from the torrent. I will say the truth, from the torrent.
Understood. Don't speak don't speak out of torrent in this open forum, okay? Forum.
Okay.
Right? Okay, I understood. No issues. So I mean, you are working from internet. I mean, you're learning from internet. I guess others also doing the same thing if they're doing it, right? YouTube. Good. Montu Sharma said, I mean, YouTube. Okay, good. Very good. You're doing it from the YouTube. Now, from YouTube, what you're learning, or from any institute also. I mean, if you go to institute or you learn from YouTube, what you will learn is, you will learn it as a course, correct? You'll learn it as a course. And what you get at the max is, let's say Udemy, take an example of Udemy. So what you get is, there we have a recorded session, and one person is, speaking. I also have my, I'm also going to have my course under the Udemy, right? Anyone can have a course under the Udemy. Even you finish your, your sample project, and you can also sell your course in Udemy. So learning from Udemy is not, I mean, that big deal. Any one of you can prepare a course, make a sample project, and sell it to Udemy. Udemy will start pasting your picture and say bestseller Montu Sharma, bestseller this guy, bestseller Ajay Shankar, like that, right? So let's not talk about that. So question is, I mean, answer to your question is, yes, you are learning from YouTube, you're learning from Google, you're learning from Udemy or other sites, right? Or maybe institutes. So what you learn from these sources is, you learn the course. Basically you learn the course, small code snippets, or maybe a sample project, right? A sample project, small sample project. In Udemy, if I'm not wrong, they show a sample project like how to add users, how to add employees, to do right, to do kind of sample application, adding users on the fly, things like that, sample project. But with this sample project, or code snippets, or bookish language, or theoretical courses, will you be able to get that confidence to crack the interview, or crack the interview? Will you be able to get a call also? Will you be able to get a call also if you say, I have done Angular course from, let's say, so and so? Even if you say Angular course from Learn Now, Angular course from Learn Now, I would say 100% you will not get a job. Because when you say course, correct? Course is for the experienced peoples, right? Experienced people, experienced folks. I mean, who already working in companies, and they upgraded their self in AWS course, Angular course, Meanstack course. So it adds to their weightage. It adds to their experience. It increase their experience. It add to the gravity of their experience, right? But for the freshers, course means everyone knows course means you went to a institute, or online site, and you studied it. I mean, you just studied it. You don't have that production based knowledge. The right technical word is, you don't have the production based knowledge, correct? By doing the course. Trust me, if you do course under us also, from Learn Now also, if you do a course, it is useless for you, literally useless for you. Because why useless? Because you may get knowledge, you'll definitely get knowledge, not may get knowledge, you'll definitely get knowledge, but you will not get a job. Now to get a job, what you need to do is you need to do a project, live project, which is as per the company standard, which is as per the company standard, which is hosted somewhere, which is hosted, which the project's code should be in some repository, right? Some GitLab, GitHub, some repository. I mean, there should be some online repository where your code is there. There should be an online presence of your code. I mean, if someone asks, okay, in which project you have worked? I have worked on, let's say, holisticconnect.com, or I worked on, let's say, sc.learner.in. I have worked on, let's say, social networking site. I worked on, let's say, e-commerce application.com. I worked on social networking site.com. I worked on webuildnation.com. I mean, some live project should be there, correct? That is when people will start acknowledging you, recognizing you, that yes, this guy is experienced, is skilled, right? It's a skilled engineer, not a fresher. If you do course, you are still a fresher. I used to take interview, I mean, 200, 250 interviews on every year. I mean, this is on an average I used to take for my company, right? For freshers, we don't consider if you have done any course. I mean, whoever has attended an interview, or your colleague, your friend, your cousin, your alumni, you can ask them, no matter what courses you have done, correct? Interviewer is not interested, or they are least interested in what course you have done. They still pick you, right? From, I mean, they still pick you on the behalf of your, slight disturbance. They still pick you on the behalf of your academics, right? Your academics, like your C++, Java, .NET. If at all they come and select you for the interview process, and put you wherever they want. They can put you in testing. No matter you are very good in programming, they put you in testing. They make you as a data analyst. They make you as a system analyst, right? You are not good in programming, you wanted to go in testing, they might put you in programming, correct? So once you are selected in company, you have no control. So I mean, what I should say, you may be happy after getting a job, but trust me, after 1 year you will curse yourself, because 80%, this is what happens, that whatever is your field which you like, you will not end up of going in that field into a company, correct? Even if you get a job. Otherwise, companies will treat you like a freshers only, no matter what course you have done. So now, right now, the only option left with you is to get a job, is doing a live project, because live project will teach you each and every nitty-gritty of the production-based knowledge. For example, when you start a live project, the very first thing you encountered with is errors. You'll see lot of errors, correct? When you resolve those errors, your brain will start understanding, okay, this is how it works, right? You will learn thousands of things, millions of things, which you cannot even learn by reading a book, or reading through a tutorial, or reading through a PDF, or going through with a YouTube tutorial, correct? Because there will be one fine person like me who is keep on talking, correct, and telling you about one course, that's it, and you're just listening. Till the time you're listening, you feel like you are understanding everything. But when you start doing the actual code, that is where you see the real word. The real word of programming or this IT is errors. The very first thing that you should eat and digest is error. Correct? So when you do live project, you happen to see errors. You'll resolve them one by one. When you resolve them, you learn things. When you learn things, right, it will keep in your brain forever. You will feel confident. When you feel confident, now you can face interviewer with the confidence, correct? When you do live project, basically you will start getting calls. Why? Because you have done live project. Live project means which is live on some domain. Live project means when HR will say, okay, tell me about the projects you have done. I have project this.com. You can check on this.com. I've done, for example, one of the member who we have in today's call, Utkarsh Sharma. He's also from a college, IMT college, right, Utkarsh? So
yes sir, it is IMIT college.
IMIT college, sorry, my mistake, IMIT college. So he is been associated in the live project for one of our client called Holistic, right? Our project name is hc.holistic.com. Sorry, hc.learnnow.in. Basically, that's the live URL of a project. So like this, you know, you will create a live project where it will be hosted somewhere, correct? So if someone asks you where is the project, you will say, okay, this is the project. You can find on the GitLab. Let me just show it to you how it basically proceeds. So GitLab Holistic. So if they ask you, just a second. So from live project, whatever information, knowledge you're getting, that is one thing. But how you will get a job, how you will get a interview call, I mean, that is I'm showing you, correct? By doing live project, what is the benefit? How you get a job, basically, apart from the knowledge, how exactly you get a job? What is the process of getting a job? So you will get a call. First of all, the HR will ask, okay, what is the project you have done? You say Holistic Connect is my project name. Where it is hosted? It is, let's say, hosted in sc.learnnow.in. It is one of our domain. This is one of our live client project, right? Where Utkarsh has worked on, Utkarsh and Sony, right? So it's a live project. It's an HTTPS project, right? Then HR will ask you where it is hosted. Sorry, where is the repository? Can you share any repository link? Yes, it is hosted. Sorry, it is there in GitLab. So GitLab, GitHub, Bitbucket, they are basically version control tools where we basically host our code. I should not say host our code, basically where we keep our code. Where I mean, these tools basically act as a repository for us, repository of our code. So we call it repository, correct? Our code will be now called repository when it is there in the version control tools like GitLab, GitHub, right? Bitbucket. So in these tools basically we keep our code, right? Getting my point? So they ask you, okay, where is this code, right? Share the GitLab link. So you will say, this is my GitLab link. You can share, this is my GitLab link, right, to HR. Getting my point? That is how you guys are going to get the call, right? So with live project, I told you how you will get a knowledge. One. Second thing, how you will get a call. This. Third thing, based on this call and knowledge, you will be facing the interviewer, right? With the right amount, I mean, with your right answers to your to your questions, which will be asked by the interviewer. Basically, what you can do is you will be able to crack the interview, right? So with the knowledge, with the confidence, and with the call from the HR, you will finally able to speak in front of the interviewer and crack the job, correct? With live project, this all you're going to get. This live project is going to be your complete identity, that this is the kind of work you have done. This is a live production based project. It has a client, of course. How we are getting the live project as a Learn Now team, how we are getting a live project, how we are getting these projects. We are getting these projects from our clients based on Malaysia, US, right? And from there, basically, we are getting the live projects, right? Correct? So from these countries, basically, we are getting the live project, US market, UK market, Malaysia, right? Singapore. And what we're doing is we are putting those live projects in front of you guys, correct? Or people like Utkarsh. And then we take a group of college students or freshers, and we build a live project, correct, together. Once this live project is on or done, we hand it over to client, correct? And that is how your portfolio also get built up. So what you're going to put in your portfolio, what you're going to put in your resume is, this is the live project I've worked on. Let's say social networking site. So social networking site is one of our new project coming into the market, right? This is absolutely a new project, what we are throwing in the market. it's complete. I will not talk more about this project because then it will be against the NDA, right? Non-disclosure document. It will be as good as your Facebook, like a social networking site. And we are very curious, looking forward to start the project with people like you, where you will be working on the technology like MeanStack, where in MeanStack you will be using database like MongoDB, backend code will be Express.js, front-end code will be Angular or React, right? Server would be a Node. So I mean, these are the latest technologies, latest projects with you guys, correct? And that is what we are. I mean, that is what we have designed or we have prepared, for you guys, correct? So that's it from my side. I will open this forum now for questions. So that is the whole gyan I wanted to wanted to tell or wanted to present in front of you.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Here, I would also like to add one more thing over here, that our objective is to give you hands-on right from day one. We will throw you in the swimming pool. जैसे होता है ना कि अगर तैरना सीखना है तो भी सीधे स्विमिंग पूल में डालो, तो वही सेम चीज हम करेंगे. आपको हम डे वन से कोडिंग एक्सपोज करेंगे और आपको पैरेलली सर के साथ साथ उस कोडिंग को करते चलना है. Getting your point?
Correct. So ये कुछ ये हाँ. मैं छोटा सा आपको ब्रीफ
इसको एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए बच्चों को.
So ये कैसे होगा, right? So I mean, lot of you might be thinking कि ये कैसे होगा, exactly चलेगा कैसे काम करेगा, लाइव प्रोजेक्ट, क्या लाइव प्रोजेक्ट कैसे करेंगे, right? और कैसे ऑनलाइन होगा. तो जस्ट एक ब्रीफ आपको एक वीडियो दिखाता हूँ, थोड़ी सी इंफॉर्मेशन. You can see this 63rd online batch, 63rd online live project batch is 8 month old. So now you can see we have been in this online training and development since ages. You can see our 63rd batch was 8 months old, and the batch which we're going to start from first week of May is going to be our 78th batch, online batch, right? So ये कैसे चलता है? जैसे suppose like I, one of the trainer in this course. So जैसे someone, yeah, just hold on, let it run. So you can hear my voice. So I'll be live talking. So I'll be live talking, telling you about see, this is MongoDB. I'm talking about MongoDB. So, right, what I'm doing over here is I'm explaining the MongoDB part live. Let me show you one of our video where I'm doing the live programming, right? So you can see here. This is Learn Now channel, by the way. Right? Let me show you one more. So this is how, now you can see this is 1 year old, right? 1 year old means Angular 6. Now it's Angular 9, which I'm going to teach you or train you on. So let me show you one more where I'm doing the code part. See, so I'm explaining about the Angular application, and parallelly I'm doing code in front of you, right? Parallelly I'm doing the coding in front of you, correct? So long story short is I will be doing live in front of you, telling you, teaching you, showing you, what kind of errors you will get, how to start, all these nitty-gritties, whatever is required for you. I'll be doing live in front of you first of all. Then you will be repeating the same thing at your side, correct? So that way, first I will show you how to swim, and then I will throw you in the pool, correct? And now in order to save your life, zinda rehne ke liye, आप लोग हाथ पैर मारना शुरू करोगे, करेक्ट, तभी आप लोग स्विमिंग सीखोगे. सेम थिंग कोडिंग. फर्स्ट आई एम शोइंग यू हाउ टू डू दैट and then I'll push you in this coding word, right? And then, correct, step by step, parallelly with you, I'll be guiding you, nurturing you in this coding world, how we, make life project, how we started, how we design it, how we develop it, how we do a backend coding, what is the database, right? Correct. Everything I'll be showing you first, and then making sure that you will do at your end. You will repeat after me. That's how you will learn faster. The learning speed will become multi times, right? It is far faster than you going through with the YouTube tutorials, listening to any recorded session, then doing live with me. Correct, team?
सर
Yeah.
एक्चुअली द थिंग इज कि जो पूरी मेथोडोलॉजी है, उस मेथोडोलॉजी का जो क्रक्स है वो है एरर हैंडलिंग, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग.
Correct.
आईटी वर्ल्ड में नॉलेज सबके पास होती है, लेकिन कौन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर पाता है, कौन क्लाइंट की रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से एरर को डिबग करके आगे सॉल्यूशंस दे सकता है, इट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. और ये चीज आपको कहीं किसी बुक में नहीं मिलेगी, कोई पढ़ाने वाला इसको नहीं मिलेगा. आप जब तक खुद करोगे नहीं तब तक आप ना इनको देख पाओगे, ना इनसे बाहर निकल पाओगे. उत्कर्ष, आप में से काफी लोग उत्कर्ष को जानते होंगे, तो उत्कर्ष के पास नॉलेज बहुत है. उत्कर्ष ने बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स में टॉप पोजीशन, टॉप 3 पोजीशंस हासिल की है व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्रेजेंटिंग द आइडिया और लैंग्वेज में क्या होता है. लेकिन चीजें जब रियल प्रोजेक्ट उसके हाथ में आया तो उत्कर्ष तुम बताओ कैसे तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस रहा इन एरर्स को रिमूव करने का. अपनी जर्नी थोड़ा सा शेयर करो कि लर्न नाउ के साथ कैसी रही 6 महीने की. उत्कर्ष.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, Ajay sir, I would like to request you. Can I share the screen? My screen. Hello. Sir,
One second. Yeah, you can share now.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, it is disabled.
It is disabled.
Disabled for me.
तुम्हारी स्क्रीन से कोई बम निकल के बाहर नहीं आना.
Okay.
Okay.
I enabled it now.
Okay. Sure, sir. Hello, guys. Good evening to everyone. My name is Utkarsh Sharma. Most of the guys know me. Who am I? But some guys are new here. So I am a BCA student. I am still pursuing in BCA third year. Means not graduated yet, but still I am working in MNC company. .create technology. And I have taken the course from Learn Now. I know Ajay sir and the Ravi sir as well as. So what I'm going to tell you here, as you can see my profile here, I have posted my some achievements photographs. This is the photograph of chess and some other event in I awarded by the HRD Ministry of India, and here's the man Prakash Javadkar. So when you go to my profile, there's a many achievements in of programming, just like blind coding. I won award in blind coding from IMS college, and it's one college. I'm not getting the name of that college. It is in Mohan Nagar, Ghaziabad. And recently I got 11,000 cash prize in blind coding and web development from the IMS Lalpua. Okay, so I got many awards, even cash prize also in programming. But what happened when you go in the production mode? Still we are in the learning stage. But when we go to the production mode, we face the problem. What we face, we need to build our code just like that. We can manage that code. Means in one project, you are not going to work on that project individually. There would be the team. Everybody work on that. So team management is required. Error handling is required there. And your project documentation is also required. What happens in real project? You get the error as well as means when you do programming in C, Java, whatever, in any language, your compiler tells you error. But when you do programming in development means in production mode, at that time compiler not going to tell you the error. You will get the error in runtime environment. So you need to handle that if your product goes to the market, then your client should not face this problem. So you need to handle that error. As we are discussing the Angular 9, some people think that Angular is harder, React is easy. Actually, I want to tell that every technology have their privacy corner, safe corner. So every technology have their advantage and disadvantage as well as. So if you learn Angular from the learn now, then you will learn how to work with GitHub, how to do the team management, and one most important thing, how to fulfill the requirement of the client. Client not going to come to you to ask, hey Utkarsh, I need the project in which I can calculate, means in which I can sum subtract, I'm going to give you the lakhs of rupees. No, he will ask you that in website, in application, I need chat system.
क्लाइंट आके ये नहीं बोलेगा
I need chat system in which I need video calling and some privacy corner, just like we are talking on the Zoom. Okay, so it is very important to develop your skill as well as your work environment nature. Okay, so in the guidance of Ajay Shankar sir, I learned most of the thing, that how to manage the project, and I am still working with Ajay sir also. As Ajay sir mentioned, still I just work in one project of USA, which is from the USA client. So that's all about me. Hope you like that. Thank you.
छा गया लड़का. Very good. So okay, one thing you have.
जो
Yeah.
उसके अंदर बहुत अच्छी है,
Correct.
वो ये है
So one second. So one thing
लर्न करने की इसके अंदर इच्छा है कि मैं जल्दी से.
Yeah, so you say just 1 minute. So now this is what I wanted to portray in front of you. Now you see, he's also a college student, but how confident he is, correct? How confident he is. He's not bothered about how many people are listening to him or not, right? I mean, he's simply confident. Why? Because he has that knowledge. What knowledge and how he got it? He got it through the projects. And what knowledge he got is, he got a knowledge of how to get failed, first of all, right? He developed a code, he failed. He developed a code, he failed. Error is coming. He resolved one error, another one is coming. Correct? He is working on the feature. One. Second, he is working on the features like not write or print a Fibonacci series, right? Or give me a odd and even number. He is talking about, he is working on the feature called real-time chat. Correct? Discussion forum. So if I show you this health chat in this live section, this whole chat section is been built by Utkarsh, right? This is live chat, basically discussion forum. So we're talking about features like this. When you develop features like live chats, correct? Features like this, like e-commerce application, you have products, you can search, select products, right? Then you get confidence. Then you get confidence, because to build this feature, you have gone through with many stages of struggle, code, correct, error finding, error solution, error handling, correct, knowledge, theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge, and that is what gives you the immense amount of confidence. And when you get confidence, right, when you have a live project under your belt, you get call from HRs, you get call from different companies, correct? When you get calls from the company, you don't hesitate. As of now also, if I ask you, tomorrow if we arrange an interview, will you be confident? You will say, no, we have to study first, correct? And 9 out of 10 of you would not be under the confidence. Why? Because you don't know things? No. You know things, you've studied, you know OOPS concept. The question is, you don't have the confidence to speak in front of the interviewer, right? Why? Because you have studied it. It's very logical. Why? Because you have studied it. आपने सिर्फ पढ़ा है, आपने काम नहीं किया उसमें. जब आप लाइव प्रोजेक्ट में काम करते हो, तो you owns it. करेक्ट? तो तब आप और इंटरव्यूअर बोथ विल बी ऑन द सेम पेज. जब मैं आपके पास आऊंगा आपका इंटरव्यू लेने, सपोज, या कोई कंपनी में कोई एचआर टेक्निकल टीम को लेके आता है इंटरव्यू के लिए, then the technical guy who is taking your interview and you both will be on the same page, because you both are equal. How you both are equal? Because he also worked on the live project, you also worked on the live project. He also knows about what are the problems, issues, or mythology we follow to make projects live, to do production based code, write production based code, and you also now follow, and you also now know. Correct? So you'll feel confident in front of him. That's how you crack the interview. That's how you get the job. Yeah.
Right. Thank you, sir. I think we have taken our time, and I would ask all the audiences to please post their questions. Raise your hand and you can straight away unmute your mic and ask questions if you have.
Excuse me, sir. My question is to my one thing is for the Ajay sir, if he's ready to listen. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, actually, you told about Utkarsh, the student who has learned Angular from you.
Mm-hmm.
As being, I have not learned any such kind of any courses from any of the institution like this. I told I have learned from the Udemy. Mm-hmm. So last night I completed one of my chat application using Socket.io, Node.js, and Express, and with the React.
Okay.
So there I have learned from the YouTube and from the documentation how to send a text message.
Okay.
But after seeing that thing, I thought to how to send the images.
That's
actually the media files.
Okay.
So I was not getting any of the solution, neither on the GitHub, neither on the GitLab, anywhere, none of the way. So I decided.
यही होता है, पता है अमन, जब आप कोई लाइव प्रोजेक्ट खुद से करते हो, आपने टेक्स्ट भेजना शुरू कर दिया और आपने वो पढ़ के सीख लिया. अब अगर आप किसी गुरु या किसी मेंटोर के अंडर में काम कर रहे हो, तो मेंटोर को पता है आप किस वेवलेंथ पे, किस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे काम कर रहे हो.
And
this is what exactly
one more thing. Again, this is your sample project, correct? You have gathered it.
Right.
This is a sample project. It has not tested by the client. It has not tested. It is not live. Once it will be live, then you start facing the issues and errors. Correct?
It's version 1. So version 1 is live. Version 2 has been will be uploaded by tonight.
So is it for the client?
Not for the client. It is just like a public forum. Like who are my friends publicly.
Okay.
Those are interested, they can see. Like if you search any project on the Google search, so sometimes one of the GitHub repository comes up that it is related to your search, then they can come and see. It is not like client is somewhere.
Correct. So
चीज है ना, क्लाइंट के क्वेरीज अभी जो सबसे ज्यादा इसने उत्कर्ष में फेस किया है वो है कि क्लाइंट के द्वारा उत्पन्न की गई प्रॉब्लम या क्यूरियोसिटी या क्वेश्चन.
I mean, you have created a project, yes, which is very good. I'm 100% sure it will be good, right? But use cases, right? How many use cases it is having? Is it serving all the use cases? What is the scalability of this one? How big or short it is? Okay, creating a website, I can create it. I mean, in 5 hours, I can create an application and I can host it. But how many users it can accommodate in one shot? 1000 users, 2000 users, 5000 users, registration I'm talking about. The very basic thing, authentication. Correct? So I'm sure you have done it. But question is, whatever you have done, how many of the other have done that much also? I understood your part. You are very enthusiastic, so you don't have any mentor, so you start doing by yourself. Good, very good. You might be having that confidence also. But what my question is others has the same passion, same courage, same way? Can they also do without the mentor? That is what my question is. You have done it good, but can other does that? I mean, did you? Don't you think you have something missing in your project? Did you feel anything like that, or you're feeling that it is completely done? It is ready for the production.
No, so after a point, it seems that it is being similar to someone else. So it should be having anything innovative or something new that can be told by any of my senior or experienced person, so that he can at least tell me what should be the changes.
Here you go.
Downing me that it is wrong.
Obviously.
That the picture should not be seen in this way. It should be having a mirror face.
That's
That means something is different
correct.
from
That's
others.
that's the first thing. That's the first thing mentor
बिल्कुल
used
सही
to do.
पकड़े हो,
Yeah,
बिल्कुल
that's
सही पकड़े हो.
correct. That's the first thing mentor used to do. जैसे मैंने कहा, you have done very good job. I'm 100% sure you might have done the very good job. Now, next thing would be, if you ask me, mentor you, next thing would be, I would say, okay, let's check what is the scalability of this application. How much scalable it is. मतलब अभी suppose 100 यूजर इसमें लॉगिन करते हैं और फर्स्ट क्लास चलते हैं, क्या 1000 यूजर्स पे भी इतनी स्ट्रांग होगी? क्या 10,000 यूजर पे भी इतनी स्ट्रांग होगी? एंड लेट्स अज्यूम बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड आपकी एप्लीकेशन सुपर डुपर हिट हो जाती है. जैसे टिकटॉक है, टिकटॉक ने जितनी ग्रोथ करी है उतनी किसी भी ऐप ने ग्रोथ नहीं करी. वन ईयर में मिलियंस ऑफ यूजर टिकटॉक के रहे हैं, बट कभी आपने लैग देखा है उस वीडियो में, उसकी एप्लीकेशन में लैग नहीं.
No sir.
कभी अंडर मेंटेनेंस गई है? नहीं. आप रात को 4 बजे भी खोलोगे तब भी नहीं जाती. दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल स्केलेबिलिटी. तो आप क्या टिकटॉक जैसी एप्लीकेशन बना सकते हो? 102% बना सकते हो. वीडियो स्ट्रीम करना कौन सी बड़ी बात है? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. बट क्या आपकी एप्लीकेशन स्केलेबल है? दैट इज व्हाई यू नीड मेंटरिंग. So what mentor used to do is, a teacher may tell you, no, this is not a right topic what you have picked. But what a mentor will tell you is, whatever topic you have picked, how to make it scalable, how to make it a brand, how to make it a product, how to make it a product, production based, how to make it at a level of production base. Getting my point? तो जैसे अभी 2 आपको आइडिया दिया मैंने कि आप उसके यूजर्स कैपेसिटी चेक करो, कितने यूजर अकोमोडेट कर सकती है एक बार में. क्या 1000 यूजर्स एक बार में अगर हिट करते हैं लॉगिन के लिए, कैन दिस एप्लीकेशन सर्वाइव? वन. सेकंड थिंग, सेशन कितने लोगों का ये जो है अकोमोडेट कर सकती है? ये 2 चीज चेक करना. एंड नाउ यू कैन कैरी ऑन विद योर एप्लीकेशन.
एक और चीज मैं यहाँ पर ऐड करना चाहूंगा. देखो, अजय सर या उत्कर्ष भी इस बात को एग्री करेगा अजय सर के बारे में, कि जब आप किसी मेंटर के अंडर में प्रोजेक्ट करते हो, उत्कर्ष ने जैसे एक लेवल अचीव किया, तो जैसे ही उसने अचीव करा तो सर ने उसे खुश नहीं होने दिया, उसके सामने दूसरी प्रॉब्लम रख दी, भाई ये कैसे होगा? तो फिर उत्कर्ष उसके दूसरे
एक नहीं बहुत सारी रखी है. मतलब ये ऐसी, आई मीन इफ यू सी दिस वन, होलिस्टिक कनेक्ट, ये लाइव यूएस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए है.
Sir, there is a series of tasks.
Right? I can even show you the WhatsApp chat also what he and me used to share. ये पूरा health chat इसने डेवलप किया है. अब इस health chat में next thing what he is going to do is कि मैं कैसे इसको client side पे store करूं without even showing it to client. क्योंकि एक certain period of time के बाद हमें chat सिर्फ नई वाली chat दिखानी है, पुरानी chat client के पास वही रहनी चाहिए. बार बार सर्वर पे बैक एंड फोर्थ नहीं होना चाहिए कि हर बार चैट पूरी की पूरी उठ के हिस्ट्री सर्वर से ही आ रही है, डेटाबेस से ही आ रही है. नो. नेक्स्ट टास्क फॉर हिम इज हाउ ही कैन मेंटेन दिस होल चैट एट क्लाइंट साइड इटसेल्फ, करेक्ट, एंड ओनली मेक श्योर कि जो न्यू चैट है सिर्फ वही लोड हो जैसे फेसबुक करता है, करेक्ट. सो ही इज वर्किंग इन दैट डोमेन. So when he was happy that I have done the chat part, I said this is what the next thing that you need to do. So that is what you are going to learn in the live project. It is not at all about pushing someone down or up. Being a mentor, my job is to push you and push you hard, because the more I push you, better you will be in your career. I mean, pushing you hard is not going to be beneficial for me. Pushing you hard is going to be beneficial to you, because आज आपने एक आइडिया बना के उसको डेवलप किया है. कल को आप जब मैं उस आगे और पुश करूंगा आपको, it will an urge from my side कि ये भी करना है आपने, फिर आप वो करोगे. तो क्या, तो जैसे होता है ना कि एक आर्मी के पास आर्म्स एंड एम्यूनिशन बढ़ते जाते हैं और वो स्ट्रांग हो जाती है. Similarly, what my job is to make sure your artillery is full with all arms and ammunition, so that आप कभी भी किसी भी सिचुएशन में रुको नहीं. अब आज के डिस्कशन के बाद, जस्ट 1 मिनट रवि सर, आज के डिस्कशन के बाद, if someone asks you how scalable your application is, then Aman, you will answer them immediately that I am working on, correct, how multiple users, more than 100 or 1000 users can hit API at one shot. One scalability I'm working on, and how many number of session my application can maintain. That's the second scalability I'm working on. करेक्ट. आप उसके सामने ये नहीं बोलोगे अरे एप्लीकेशन तो फर्स्ट क्लास चल रही है, आप लाइव कहीं भी देख सकते हो, करेक्ट. नाउ दैट विल बी अ एड ऑन इन योर नॉलेज. क्या आप बोलोगे एप्लीकेशन तो लाइव है, बट आई एम स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन द सेशन मैनेजमेंट, करेक्ट, एंड द एपीआई स्ट्रेंथ, कि एक बार में एपीआई की परफॉर्मेंस कितनी है, एक बार में एपीआई कितने लॉगिन हिट्स ले सकता है। अगर ये टिकटॉक की तरह फेमस हो गई तो क्या ये 1 मिलियन हिट एक बार में ले सकता है? कैन 1 मिलियन पीपल log into your application in one shot? That is what you are going to speak in public forum or anywhere whenever you're trying to demonstrate your application. So that is the difference when you do a project, sample project, and when you make the sample project to turn the sample project into a live project. Correct? तब आप अपने प्रोजेक्ट के प्रोस एंड कॉन्स दोनों लेके चलते हो. Yeah, over to you sir.
फिर अगला क्वेश्चन फिर मैं पूछूंगा कि ये कितनी सिक्योर है, एंड टू एंड एन्क्रिप्शन लगा हुआ है कि नहीं
Correct.
लगा हुआ है,
Correct.
कौन कौन से इंटरनेशनल सर्टिफिकेशंस इसमें सिक्योरिटी के आपने यूज किए हैं,
क्या ये मल्टी, हाँ, क्या ये मल्टीलिंगुअल है कि नहीं है? अब मल्टीलिंगुअल के लिए अमन मल्टीलिंगुअल के एक सेशन देता हूँ. गूगल ट्रांसलेट करके होता है. Just put that Google translator in your site at top of it, just like Utkarsh has put this one. So this application can turn into any language.
Thank you sir मुझे नई टास्क देने के लिए.
You wanted to see Bengali? You wanted to see the same site developed by Utkarsh in Bengali? See Bengali, right? Again, go back to English, right? So ये benefit होता है जब आप live project करते हो. Leave about course, companies, anything. I'm strictly talking about live project. When you do live project, that is the transformation that you see in yourself. Best thing, knowledge and confidence based on that knowledge. Two things. First thing is knowledge you get. Second thing is you get confidence, which is based on purely on knowledge. No attitude, no hype, no boosting yourself, no shining yourself कि मैं ये हूँ मैं वो हूँ. आप प्योरली बात करते हो नॉलेज की बेस पे कि मैंने ये किया है और ये पेंडिंग है, एंड दीज आर माय फ्यूचर गोल्स फॉर माय लाइफ प्रोजेक्ट. या
राइट सर, वेरी क्विकली लेट अस शो देम कि ये कहां से हमारे समर इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम में रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं. जल्दी से मैं आप लोगों को ये भी बता देता हूँ कि हमारा जो ये प्रोग्राम है, हमने अभी सब्सिडाइज्ड कॉस्ट पे समर ट्रेनिंग का लॉन्च किया हुआ है.
पहले कॉस्ट बता दें.
3500 rupees we are charging for this program. और पूरा मीन स्टैक इसमें हमने कवर किया है. 48 आवर्स का इसका.
We are talking about this one, mean stack. That's the best I thought will be for you, and then we can do later we can do Ionic framework also. So the same mean stack application will turn it into a mobile app जो iOS और Android दोनों पे चलेगी, right? तो हम मीन स्टैक लेके चलते हैं पहले, क्योंकि ये फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट है. इसमें डेटाबेस, आपका बैक एंड कोड, फ्रंट एंड प्रोग्रामिंग सब आता है, इंक्लूडिंग AWS hosting, not server hosting, AWS hosting. And then don't worry about this 48 hours. This can go
इसमें any number. का कुछ वो नहीं है. मेजर जो हमारा जो
प्रोजेक्ट है
वो ये है कि आप प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करें.
करेक्ट. एंड प्रोजेक्ट विच इज डन बाय यू गाइस. सो हम लोग बहुत एग्रेसिव पेस पे चलेंगे, जिसमें मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा, मैं बताऊंगा और आप उसको फॉलो करोगे. एग्रेसिव का मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको पुश कर दिया कि करो बैठ के. नो, एग्रेसिव अप्रोच का मतलब पहले मैं बताऊंगा, पहले मैं करूंगा, आपको दिखाऊंगा, आप क्वेश्चंस पूछोगे. ऑब्वियसली कुछ चीजें समझ में आएंगी, कुछ नहीं आएंगी, राइट? यू विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस, आई विल आंसर योर क्वेरीज, एंड देन यू विल स्टार्ट एट योर एंड. Every alternative day it will happen. So one day I will do and show it to you. You will have the recorded session, live session first, and then later that recording will be given to you, right? You can go it over if you stuck anywhere, and then तब आप करेंगे. कुछ सेशंस के बाद क्या होगा, आप जब आप थोड़ा से हैंड्स ऑन आपको हो जाएगा, आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आना शुरू हो जाएगा, then you will do live with me. आप भी अपने सिस्टम पे लाइव कर रहे होंगे, right? And cost already it's a very nominal cost. I challenge in this whole world, no one can give you this cost which we are giving you, right? For this course called mean stack. आप अकेला C++ अगर अपने होम टाउन में सीखेंगे तो 8,000 कॉस्ट है, if I'm not wrong. At least 8,000 या 6,000, 8,000 कॉस्ट होगी, if I'm not wrong.
Right. See, we don't want कि बहुत ज्यादा exaggerate हम कॉस्ट को करें और स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर बर्डन डालें. What we want is कि आप लोग सब सीखें, और इसके पीछे भी हमारा ही एक स्वार्थ है. वो क्या स्वार्थ है कि हम लोग अपनी जो सॉफ्टवेयर वर्टिकल है उसको ग्रो कर रहे हैं.
जैसे उत्कर्ष हमने पिक किया,
उत्कर्ष. तो हमें अब अगले 1 साल में तकरीबन 100 के करीब ट्रेंड रिसोर्सेज चाहिए इन्हीं लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजीज में. तो वो रिसोर्स कहाँ से आएंगे? अगर हम मार्केट में जाएंगे, मार्केट से उनको इंटरव्यू करेंगे, वो करेंगे, एफर्ट भी वेस्ट होगा, टाइम भी वेस्ट होगा, और पता भी नहीं होगा कि क्या करना जानता है. और क्योंकि जब तक वो अंदर आएगा नहीं सिस्टम में, आके 2-3 महीने बिताएगा नहीं, तब तक हम कभी नहीं जान पाएंगे. लेकिन अगर हम एक ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी के मॉडल से उन सारे कैंडिडेट्स को सेलेक्ट करते हैं, तो हमें उनकी पूरी जर्नी पता होगी कि उन्होंने क्या क्या किया हुआ है. तो यही हमारा जो हिडन एजेंडा है इस तरह
And when
के
we
समर
say,
इंटर्नशिप
yeah, and
प्रोजेक्ट्स
sir,
को
when
कराने
we
के
say
लिए
we
वो ये
means
है।
हमारी और हमारे जैसे और जो कंपनीज हैं जिनको स्किल्ड रिसोर्स चाहिए होते हैं, राइट, जो हमारी सिस्टर कंसर्न्स हैं या कंसल्टेंसीज हैं जिनको जिनको स्किल्ड रिसोर्स चाहिए होते हैं, तो वो स्किल्ड रिसोर्स हमारे थ्रू उन तक जाएं,
एग्जैक्टली
राइट।
राइट। आई थिंक दिस वाज इट फ्रॉम आवर साइड। एनी क्वेरीज, कोई क्वेश्चन किसी का है? अमन
Let's quickly show them how you can enroll. Yeah, so let's quickly show them how you can how they can enroll basically. So go to learnnow.in site, and there you have a summer internship button right on the homepage itself. Click on summer internship button, and then you fill all your information. When you submit, you will get a payment gateway link, right? You fill you pay through payment gateway link, and take the screenshot, give it to Ravi sir. You have Ravi sir's number. Send him over on the WhatsApp, right?
ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज पिंग मी ऑन व्हाट्सएप आल्सो। आप लोग व्हाट्सएप पे भी मुझे सब लोग हेलो हेलो करके पिंग कर दीजिए, सो दैट आपकी कोई भी क्वेरी होगी तो उसको मैं रिजॉल्व कर सकता हूँ।
Yep.
ठीक है। Great guys, I
Yes.
hope you've got
Yeah.
the link, everything. Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your
Thanks,
time
team.
today.
Bye.
And
Bye.
thank
You
you all
have
of you
that
from different
link.
colleges.
Yeah, you have that link, learnnow.in. Okay, don't forget learnnow.in. You go to learnnow.in, you will get a summer internship button on the homepage. Just click, fill your information, pay for it, get registered. That's it, right? So bye for now. If you don't have any query, see you in the coming batch. Looking forward to work with you guys.
We are targeting to start the batch from first, so you'll have to hurry up.
Yep.
Right. Okay, guys. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Bye, team.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.